Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is day 5 of me trying to learn French. Before you start, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now, let's get right into the video. For day 5, I wanted to learn how to form a sentence in French. So I decided to watch some YouTube videos to learn the structure of the sentence.
Long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you're learning a new language. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, follow me on Instagram @lifewithro. I'll see you next time. Bye!